YouTube? AJ Shaver here, and like I said in the last video, we're gonna go ahead and grab a new gooseneck trailer, one that's lower profile, so we don't have that oopsie ever again. And truthfully, I've been wanting to get into a lower profile. Just we've been delivering some more and more of the brute force processors, and they get kind of tall. So when you have a high deck height like this, every inch counts for getting everything, you know, DOT legal to head off safely to the customer's location. So we're going to trade in this 2019 Appalachian Gooseneck. It's a 17,000 pounder. We're going to head down to Carlisle, Pennsylvania to Best Choice Trailers and grab a new H&H. It'll be a power tilt with a winch and the 17.5 tires, all that kind of good stuff. So it's been a good trailer, but they gave us more money than we paid for it when we bought it new. So I think it's a no-brainer, and we found a 23 for a leftover. So I think it's a good deal the whole way around. I'm excited. So gonna get on the road here. It's about 2 hours down to there, and we are gonna drop off an HWP 140 to a customer who's nearby. And so nice business trip the whole way around. Get a new toy and make some money from selling a processor. Stay tuned. Made it. This is the new trailer. There's the old trailer. We'll go over a full review when we get home. We got a little bit later than I thought it was going to be today, but that's what we're upgrading to and what we're upgrading from. And we did go down to Carlisle, Pennsylvania. We went down to Best Choice Trailers and met up with Travis, and he had this really nice H&H trailer. Lots of options on it, and if you saw a couple videos ago where we did a nosedive and a face plant with that splitter, I said I was going to get a new one, so ta-da, here it is. It is a hydraulic tilt deck trailer. It's 102 width, so that was an upgrade. 8K axles was an upgrade. 17.5 tires was an upgrade. The drive over fenders, hydraulic jacks on it for easy removal. There's a 12K winch, the big toolbox. It's a really nice dress trailer, but it was a 23 leftover, so we got it for a really good deal. So just want to say thank you to Travis and the team at Best Choice Trailers down in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. Told them I'd give them a little plug, so there it is. I did do a test run because I wasn't about to repeat the same experience. So we went up and down a couple of times, and it does it. So we'll lift the trailer, and I'll show you just how much better it is. So that was way much better than falling over on my face. So I just felt like I had to redeem myself on that one. Now that we got the splitter off, I'll just do a quick walk around on this just in case anybody else is in the market for a nice power tilt deck trailer. We did a lot of homework on these, looking around, and it does have a lot of nice features. So let me show you what we have. Yes, I have a California customer, Mr. Eric, that likes it when I say more better, so I try to throw it in occasionally to see if he's still watching the channel. And but yeah, we did the 8K axle upgrade, the 17.5 wheel upgrade. I like the oil bath axles that we don't have to worry about greasing it with the bearing buddies. Really heavy duty fenders on this for the drive over type. It is 82 inches between the fenders, so can definitely get, you know, some wider stuff up on this. And unlike a traditional low profile, they do the extra, you know, steel here to make it the 102 width with the rub rail, so that was really nice. It does go up and down really fast, and they call it a speed loader kind of system on it. It is a twin ram, and this is a powder coated trailer. Again, it's an H&H. I think they're made in Iowa, I believe. And then this one has the upgraded hydraulic jacks on it. Again, it's just working hard to be lazy. Why stand there and crank something when you can just twist a button or push a button? So we did a battery tender on this, and the Chevy has an outlet in the bed, so that's nice, so I can charge the battery going down the road. Remote for up and down the battery, and it does have a 12K winch on it, which that remote down there comes out, and it does go wireless. So kind of use it like a rollback if I need to drag something up on. But pretty decent angle. Tow's really nice. And unlike the Appalachian trailer, it follows the truck pretty good around corners. You don't really have to swing out too much. So, all right, Travis, here's your last plug, brother. Best Choice Trailers. There's a location in Carlisle that we went to, and there's one also out in Pittsburgh. All right, so just short and sweet. Like I said, I felt like I had to redeem myself a little bit from our epic failure in the last video. If there's anything we can't get you a sales quote on, give me a phone call. It's 833-SPLITTER. That's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. And we will be taking this trailer to a couple expos. The Boonville show in August we'll be at for sure. And then out to Paul Bunyan. So I know there's a couple other shows in between. There was one down in Virginia that we just couldn't make it to, and then Ohio Woodburner, just we had some other stuff on the books. I wanted to go, but just couldn't make it. So next thing up and coming for us is going to be Helicopter Day out in Colorado with Mr. Kyle Crawford and MK High Country. They do a special thing every year where they actually fly firewood bags up into the mountains 6 miles. And the chopper, I believe, reaches altitudes over 12,000 feet. And we have some new helicopter bags specifically designed for that will be coming in from out in Switzerland. So that'll be the end of June, I believe. The 23rd will be out there. But for now, we're going to call it wraps. But that's my teaser for some other videos. So do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button, because believe me, you want to stay up to date on some of that cool stuff coming up. Thanks for watching.